Look, we're all constantly trying to dress better, right? And look better. Well, I got you today because today I'm going to show you 10 very easy, very simple ways to elevate your style game. If you're stuck in a rut, if you think your style is boring, this is the video for you. Now, we got 10, which means we got to move quick because I want you to gain as much information as possible. If you're ready, let's hop into it. Number 1, try suede shoes. Yo, this right here will change the game because your shoes are like the anchor of your outfit. When you change the texture of your shoes, it's gonna elevate your style game. And the great part is you can do this across the board. You could do this with boots. You could do this with sneakers, and you could do this with loafers. All of them look amazing. Number 2, incorporate a statement piece. This is that one piece in your entire outfit that goes the hardest. And it could be anything, right? It could be a nice watch. It could be nice shoes. It could be a bag. It could be just something that's different that you spent a little more time on. That it's that extra step, that extra detail. And the great thing with this statement piece is that it's versatile, right? It doesn't matter how basic your outfit is. Even if you're wearing just jeans and a tee, you throw that in. Automatically, when you walk into a room, you're making a statement. Number 3, tailor your pants yourself. I get finding a good tailor and getting everything tailored is expensive and hard. What isn't hard or expensive is going on Amazon, buying clothing tape, which is ultra affordable, and then tailoring your clothes at home. All you need to do is grab your pants that are too long. If you want to hem them, use a little bit of clothing tape. You use an iron to press that, and now you got tailored pants that look 10 times better. Number 4, wear a slick belt. You want something modern, something clean. Now, this only matters when you're actually trying to show off your belt like in a dressy situation, but when you do, you want something that's going to be a complete home run. That's where our sponsor Anson Belts comes in. Yo, I've been working with Anson Belts for about 4 years, and I promise you, this is no cap right now. When I first used Anson Belts, I got rid of every single belt in my closet, and ever since then, every belt that I wear is from Anson. The main reason? Because they're not regular belts, yo. These belts don't have holes like your traditional belts. Instead, they have a track system in the back. This does 2 things. 1, it's more functional. Since the track system is adjusted by 1/4 inches, you can adjust during the day. Let's say during the morning, since you're a little flatter and fasted, you can go a little tighter, and then as you eat or you start getting bloated, you can loosen up your belt, but still have a snug fit because of that 1/4 inch adjustment. Number 2, since it has no holes, it's ultra sleek and modern. See, the hardware that Anson Belts uses is very minimal, and it doesn't look clunky or cheap, but instead it looks very high end. And since it doesn't have holes, you have this ultra sleek belt that when you wear trousers or you're tucking in your shirt, you look amazing. You've elevated your style game with an accessory that nobody thinks about. Now, here's the best part. Because Anson Belts is also interchangeable, you're gonna get the best value possible. See, they have this gift box system where you can buy 3 belts or 2 buckles or 2 belt straps and 3 buckles, and what that does is it gives you 6 different belt combinations. So with just one gift set, which is ultra affordable, you can have 6 amazing belts in your wardrobe that you can use depending on what shoes or leather that you're wearing that day to always look on point. That's why Anson Belts is so amazing, and that's why 4 years ago, when I first used one of these belts, I never went back. If you've never tried Anson Belts, I'm telling you boys, you're missing out with your style, and you can elevate it today by clicking that link down below. Check out Anson Belts, try it out yourself, and see if I'm wrong. Yo, the reviews are amazing. I'm not the only one saying this. When you go to Anson Belts, I promise you, you'll never go to a traditional belt again. It's just dated. Number 5, wear vintage. Wearing vintage clothing is all positives. Like, think about it. It's good for the environment. It already has loads of character, and you're gonna save a crap load of money. I actually did a video where I went to Goodwill. I think I spent 50 bucks and built 30 outfits out of the 50 bucks or 50 outfits, something crazy like that. With $50, I built an entire wardrobe from vintage clothing. And then you look like a style connoisseur that has elevated his style game. You don't shop at Zara like everybody else does. No. You shop vintage. Number 6, wear denim shirts. This is a style move most people aren't doing, but denim shirts are amazing for year-round wearing. See, denim shirts are a little bit thicker, a little bit tougher, and they have the same aesthetic as flannel, where when you wear them, you just look more masculine. You look like a tough guy. The best part with denim shirts is that you can layer them. Since they're so thick, they kind of work like an overshirt as well. Number 7, you have to stay up to date to trends. If you want to consistently push and elevate your style game, you can only do that by knowing what trends are happening now. And Pinterest and Instagram are the best ways to do this. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a basic white tee, right? You don't want to wear it like you've always been wearing it. You want to elevate that basic white tee. Go to Pinterest and put white tee style for men. Instantly, you're gonna get 100 different inspiration outfits for white tee. You can grab your favorite one, go to your closet, replicate it, and now you look better. Number 8, try the half tuck. This simple style trick can change your entire outfit because you can grab an oversized shirt that looks undone and like you didn't even try, half tuck it, and now it looks clean, modern, and like you've actually put in effort. Number 9, invest in a steamer. You see, it doesn't matter how expensive your clothing is or how stylish or on trend it is. If it's wrinkly, it's never gonna look good. You can take a basic outfit and just make sure it's nicely steamed. It has no wrinkles, it's all pressed, and you will look 10 times better. And the easiest way to do that is with a handheld steamer. You can steam your clothing every morning right before you wear it. And the great part is that the steam itself also kills that bad smelling bacteria that your clothes might have. Not only are you gonna get a freshly steamed garment, you're also gonna get it bacteria free. And finally, number 10, try better fabrics. You see, this not only saves you money in your pocket on the long term because better fabrics last longer, it visually just elevates your style. When you try a better fabric, even on a simple tee, people can visually see the value, the quality, and instantly your style will be elevated. That's it from me in this week's video, guys. Those are 10 easy, simple things you can do to elevate your style game. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Anson. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.